kind of getting anxious to see this king myself.
Oh, Cookie, he'll be wonderful.
He will be, but remember, you're only cooks and camel kids. He is a king.
A heavenly king.
Which means you might not even get to see him.
Look, the star. It's still there, as bright as ever. It never left us.
Yes, and it's as bigger and beautiful as ever. We can't be far now. Come on, let's go.
Here we go again.
See how still it lies?
Hold your camels, wise guys. How do you know that's where the king is?
She's got a point. It doesn't seem like much of a place to me.
She's right about that.
It is terribly tiny. But the star has stopped over this small town.
Wait a minute. I remember now, even though Bethlehem is small, Micah said that out of it would come a ruler to be the shepherd of his people.
You mean we're almost there?
Yes, Cookie. After all this time, we're almost there.
Rejoice again.